Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix landscaping issues with the Brickman group step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the specific landscaping issue at hand. Identify visible problems such as uneven terrain, poor drainage, or overgrown plants. Take photographs to capture the current state of your landscape. Next, gather your tools and materials for the job. You may need shovels, rakes, pruners, and landscaping fabric. Consider protective gear like gloves and safety glasses. Start with the initial cleanup of debris and clutter in the area. Remove any dead plants, leaves, or other organic waste. For drainage issues, dig trenches where water pools. Install drainage pipes if necessary to direct water away. Address uneven terrain by leveling the soil. Use a rake to spread soil evenly across the surface. If your plants are overgrown, prune them back to healthy growth points. This encourages new growth and maintains their shape. For areas lacking plants, choose native species suitable for your region. Prepare the soil by loosening it with a tiller or hand tools. Add compost to enrich the soil for healthier plant growth. Plant new specimens at the recommended depth and spacing. Water the newly planted areas to help them settle in. Consider adding mulch around plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Regular maintenance is essential for long-term success. Schedule periodic checks for weeds, pests, and overall plant health. Adjust your plan as needed based on seasonal changes. Consult with a professional from the Brickman Group for larger projects. Their expertise can provide tailored solutions for complex landscaping issues. By following these steps, you can effectively tackle landscaping problems. Enjoy your transformed outdoor space and the beauty it brings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.